Hey there, bird lovers. Today, we're going to explore the world of rare bird voices, featuring 10 of the best birds with unique sounds. So, buckle up and get ready for an oral adventure. 1. Let's start with the red-breasted flycatcher. Its song is a lovely mix of clear and resonant notes that will have you humming along in no time. 2. Next up is the black-breasted thornbird. Its melodious voice is just as striking as its plumage, with a beautiful trill that's sure to catch your ear. 3. The white-browed scrub robin is another feathered friend with a delightful trill that's full of character and enthusiasm. 4. The northern boobook owl has a captivating call that's both enchanting and mysterious, perfect for those nighttime bird-watching excursions. 5. The long-tailed nightjar, hailing from Australia, has a unique call that's like no other in the avian world. It's a must-hear. 6. The Australian scrub robin is another feathered friend with a delightful trill that's full of character and enthusiasm. 7. The yellow-rumped warbler is known for its high, flute-like song that'll have you swaying to its tune in no time. 8. The spotted honeyweeder boasts a beautiful vocal range that includes some stunning gurgles and trills, truly music to your ears. 9. The tawny frogmouth possesses an eerie sound that's both intriguing and memorable, perfect for those night owls among us. 10. Last but not least, the black bozza hails from Africa and Asia and boasts a distinctive call that sounds like it could be straight out of a jungle adventure film. Absolutely captivating. I hope you enjoyed this tour through the world of rare bird voices. Remember to appreciate all the beautiful sounds our feathered friends make, no matter how common or uncommon they might be. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating content like this one. Happy bird watching!